I'm Shyam Warialani, one of the BOG, Board of Governance for Automation. I'm associated with automation since many years and I have attended many of the roadshow. This roadshow of Pune has been a very big success and nicely arranged and outlined. We saw very good visitors and customers, and after this success, I would like all Pune customers to come forward and see a show of automation in July at Nesco ground in Mumbai. This show is going to be fabulous, where we are going to, showcase futuristic control room. We would have a very important and I think one in kind vendor and buyer meet, where you could really come forward and discuss either with your supplier or buyer about the business transactions that could happen in next couple of months. I welcome all Puneris to come and visit Automation 2026 in July at Nesco.